What a fabulous car we've got here, direct from the last owner, Audi A5, the 40 TFSI S-Line Sportback. Bit of a mouthful, but what is it? It's a 2-litre petrol, 190 brake horsepower, 7-speed automatic. What a gorgeous car, Manhattan grey metallic, with around £2,000 worth of factory fitted options. It is absolutely gorgeous. Just look at it gleaming away. 2019 on a 19 plate, full documented service history. Just see all the services all in the description. What a great looking car. Very sleek, very spacious, with a huge boot. Let's take you all the way around and show you how nice this car is. Of course, you've got the LED indicators. Just look at that huge boot. It is absolutely massive. Of course, you've got the split folding rear seats. Beautifully clean, not been abused. All in great condition. No spare wheel on these. All the toolkit there, lock and wheel bolt in there. Additional storage in there. All down the sides, it is just beautiful. The wheels do set it off nicely, and again, all those are just gorgeous. Look at that. No damage, no marks, no scuffs on those. Good tires all the way around, all down the sides. No dents, scratches, scrapes or dings. Rear privacy glass. Again, a good close-up of the front wheels. The 19-inch wheels on it. All those totally unmarked. Again, the front tyre, plenty of tread on that, all across the front. Front parking sensors, LED lights. Considering the mileage, just look at that across the front. Hardly any stone chips at all. Just look at it, absolutely gorgeous. All across the front apron, no damage across there. And this is why we do the videos, to show you exactly how nice all our cars are. So when you are comparing cars and vehicles with other dealers, just make sure you know what you're buying, the condition. They look great on the pictures, but how many dealers actually go to trouble doing all the videos? So there's the driver's wheel, again, great condition. I'll try the tyre, all down the sides, absolutely gorgeous. Final wheel. Again, plenty of tread on the tyres. All the trims, all unmarked, non-smoker's car, no nasty smells, plenty of legroom there. I love these pillarless doors. As you can see, it's just glass there, no pillar there. All the headlining, all in perfect condition. Centre armrest. Electric windows, electric mirrors, all the switches there, additional storage there. All the entry points, no damage there. Driver's seat, great condition. All the bolsters, nicely S-line embossed. Of course, you can adjust the sport seats, get them comfortable just under your legs. Keyless start. 81,061 is the mileage. And of course, you've got the big Navigation there. You change the view. However you want it. Got the big dials, stereo, volume control on there. Great sounding stereo system on it. Got these LED lights that the last owners fitted. You change the colour of those. There is an app. Download. They can change those to whatever you like, what mood you want. Of course, everything's all controlled from all the points on there. Very straightforward. Radio, media, telephone, navigation, stored stations. So again, you've got the navigation on there, or in front of the dashboard, whichever view you want to see. Then you can change all the settings. Various drive modes, individual, dynamic, auto, comfort. Just get it exactly how you want it on that. Of course, dual zone climate control, heated front seats, the parking sensors, display comes up on there. Drive select, you can also select from there as well. Phone charging, USB, aux input, all in there. Cruise control, speed limiter. The folding mirrors. So there we have it. Of course, don't forget the paddle shift there before I go off. Paddle shift gear change. Of course, we've got 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. We welcome part exchange. So there's the frameless door that I mentioned. What a gorgeous, gorgeous car. Might have done 81,000 miles, but just look at the condition, look at the service history. Incredible, incredible value for money. An outstanding condition all round. A very, very stylish coupé sportback. Call it what you like. Remember, you can reserve this car 24/7 direct to our website. Click and reserve. Come and collect from our showrooms in Stoke-on-Trent. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Please ask us for full and further details how that operates. As I mentioned, finance is available direct from ourselves. Use our online finance calculator to work out your HP. Low deposit, low monthly deals. Any further information, feel free to give us a call on 01782 822 700. Specialist Cars, a multi-award-winning dealer based in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. And we do the videos to show you full transparency, nothing to hide, so you can make an informed decision from the comfort of your armchair. Our phone number again is 01782 822 700. We're open Monday to Saturday. Thanks for watching. See you next time. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.